जो खूबसूरत आवाज में अजमत सहाबा पर नज़म पेश कर रही थी। Now I want to invite our smart students of class 8 to speak for you on the topic of Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Please come Hafiz Muhammad Abu Bakr and express his thoughts.
नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ाल अल्लाहु तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद लक़द कान लकुम फ़ी रसूलिल्लाहि उस्वतुन हसनह वक़ाल अन्नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अना ख़ातमुन नबिय्यीन ला नबिय्य बादी। जो सुन्नते नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, जो सुन्नते नबवी से रिलेट नहीं होता, इस डेट की मेज़ा में कुछ वेट नहीं होता। वो हार्ट फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, वो हार्ट फेवरेट नहीं हक की निगाह में, जो ब्यूटीफुल को देखकर अट्रैक्ट हो गया। माय गेस्ट्स, रेस्पेक्टेड एवर टीचर्स एंड dear audience, assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, today on the topic of my speech, on the most important topic of Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. First of all, I am thankful to my teachers who gave me important topic of. It is my first topic that the small students like me cannot explain it. But I want Allah Almighty that He will give me tawfiq. Dear audience, Had Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last prophet of Allah Almighty, he was born in Makkah on April 571 AD. It is our strong belief that he is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. He says himself that ana khatamun nabiyyin la nabiyya ba'di. He was very simple and kind-hearted. Dear audience, before the arrival of Prophet Muhammad, the Arabs never proud and severe people. Dear audience, the beginners gave him a trouble in the way of Allah. When he went to Taif, the people threw stones at him on situation as Jibreel alayhi salam came to him and said to the Prophet, "O Muhammad, if you so wish, I will destroy them." He answered, "O gracious and merciful Allah, show them the right path, for they do not know what are doing." Dear audience, when people asked Abu Talib to stop his nephew from Tawheed, Had Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Even if they put the sun on my right hand and moon my left hand, I will not divide from the path of truth." Dear audience, the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam faced 12 challenges with most bravery. We should follow the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. रोज़े महशर में जब एक बंदे का इश्क मुस्तफ़ा में टेस्ट होगा, जो लेगा उसमें ज्यादा नंबर खुदा की नजर में बेस्ट होगा। मुनाफिकों को मिलेगी सजा, सहाबा का दुश्मन अरेस्ट होगा। नौकाए सहाबा को देख लेना, वहां भी वो चीफ जस्ट होगा। अस्सलाम।